it's Camelia here, back with another video. Today I am making for dinner a stir fry of some sort. I wasn't really in the mood for rice, so I did not use rice. It's a much lighter meal, I guess you can say. But I have some extra firm tofu here that I'm just going to cube, and I got my little helper with me. She wanted to help cut the tofu. And yeah, we're gonna put them in a bowl, add some seasonings, and mix it up really well. Himalayan pink salt, of course, some mushroom umami seasoning. I got that from Trader Joe's. It is pretty good, gives it umami flavor. Got some garlic granules here, and I didn't have any soy sauce, but I had the little soy sauce packet from the grocery store when I got some veggie sushi one day. So yeah, I used that, and some black pepper. Just gonna mix it all up, and yep, set that to the side while I chop my veggies and the grease on the stove is heating. Got some red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper and some mushroom and a green bell pepper as well. I was so upset making this, looking back, because I had realized by the end that I forgot to put an onion with this. I totally forgot about the onion. I had the onion ready, set aside, and forgot. So yeah, no onion in this recipe. But by all means, if you want an onion in it, add an onion. If you want to put any other veggies, you can most definitely do that. Veggies of your choice. This is just what I have on hand. So yeah. Now I'm gonna add some grapeseed oil in the pan for the tofu. And yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch from this point on, and I'll check back in with you guys shortly. Okay, doesn't this look so good already? Okay, so I am really just about done here. I'm just gonna add my tofu and some more sauce. And yeah, that's pretty much the dish, guys. It's pretty simple to make. Like I say, you can switch out any of the veggies with whatever you would like. If you want to put zucchini, anything really, you can do that. It's that simple. And I put the potatoes in to make it a little more filling since I did not add any rice. But yeah, it's a pretty light meal. And I did get some teriyaki sauce that was already made. And yeah, it was pretty clean ingredients. All the ingredients were actually organic as well. And so, yeah, you can pick any sauce you'd like. They had like a sweet chili sauce as well. And I believe they had like um, what was it? Yeah, they just had other flavors as well, like some other spicy flavors and some that you would find at like a Chinese restaurant even. So yeah, you can find whatever sauce you like or make your own. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.